Let's learn the sound of the letter A in Morse code. Now, phonetically, this would be the letter alpha. Now, alpha sounds like da-da. Say it along with me, da-da. Now, as we listen to the sound of alpha, keep saying da-da along with the sound. Don't worry about trying to write anything down. Just focus all of your attention on the sound of alpha, da-da. Now, we'll start at 20 words per minute, but with some extra spacing so you can really focus on listening to just the sound of alpha. Da-da. Now, that sound is really distinctive for alpha. Let's do that again, and this time take some of the space out, but we'll keep the rate the same. Keep saying the sound of alpha along with the sound. Da-da. Let's pull a little more space out, but we're still going to keep the sound of alpha at the same speed. Here we go again with alpha. Da-da. Can you hear that really distinctive sound of alpha? Let's match the space between the letters to now be the same 20 words per minute that alpha has been playing back to you all along. Keep saying it along with the sound. Da-da. Great job. That's the sound of alpha at a full 20 words per minute. Now, let's hear what alpha sounds like as we push the rate up to a full 25 words per minute. Keep focusing on the sound of alpha and say it along. Da-da. Nice. You can still hear each and every da-da of alpha. Let's push the speed up again so that you can hear the sound of alpha at 30 words per minute. Try focusing on hearing each and every da-da. Now, that was pretty fast, but you can clearly hear each and every da-da as it passes by. Okay, for these last two, instead of saying the sound of alpha out loud, just repeat it in your mind along with the sound as it passes. Da-da. That's great. That's the sound of alpha at 35 words per minute. Let's push that rate one more time and listen to the sound of alpha at 40 words per minute. Just focus on the sound of alpha's da-da and see if you can pick it out of the sound. Da-da. Now, that was really fast. Now, let's do one more, but let's return to our target speed of a full 20 words per minute. Notice how this time the sound of alpha is now just locked into your mind. Here we go with alpha. Da-da. Great job. And for more practice, check out WaveTalkers.com.